The Directorate of Information Management, known as DoIM, advises and supports the staff, faculty, and cadets at USME in the disciplines of the information mission area and is involved in every phase of cadet development, from enrolling qualified candidates to commissioning graduates as second lieutenants. Under the leadership of Director Colonel Frank Monaco, our primary mission is to provide continuous and measurable improvement in the efficiency and effectiveness of information technology, consistent with modern capabilities and resource constraints, both at West Point and Stewart Army Subpost. To accomplish this goal, there are several divisions within DoIM. We're going to give you an overview of those divisions and an idea of what DoIM can do to help support your activity. One of the divisions that is most involved in the everyday activities of most of the community is the Computer Systems Division, or CSD. If you use a computer, CSD makes sure it works and is connected to the USME network. Under its chief, Lieutenant Colonel Michael Trimble, they are responsible for all system software support, including operating systems, the electronic mail system, or email, and bulletin board support. If you have ever used the staff bulletin board to announce an event, sell a personal item, or any of the other services available, you have CSD to thank. Use the internet to research a report? CSD again. In addition to many services that function in the background and aren't even noticed by most of us, CSD operates the Computer Information Center. This is a help desk offering PC client support that is available to everyone, post-wide. Another division is the Telecommunications Division, or TELED, with Chief Major Sharon Waddell. The Voice Communications branch of TELED is responsible for the official 938 telephone system, as well as long-distance credit card calls. In addition, the Data Network branch operates the backbone data network and its external connections to the Internet, and they're responsible for the network firewall and network security plans. They are presently involved in improving the Academy's communications systems in parallel with the revitalization plan underway. Among other planned improvements is the installation of fiber optic cables to serve the communications needs of every official building on post. The Instructional Support Division, or ISD, with Major Randall Bland as chief, consists of several branches, among them the Sound and Video Imaging branch. They're the people who produced this videotape. They provide audio and video services to the entire community. In addition to television production, they provide audio support for lectures and special events, such as Army football and graduation ceremonies. The Multimedia Design and Development branch creates interactive multimedia presentations for various academic and other departments. A recent project for the Department of Admissions involved creating a kiosk for display in a prominent position, detailing the procedures for applying for admission to USME. The program will be put on CDs and sent to high schools across the nation. Multimedia specialists are available to assist any department needing a more effective method of communicating, either with customers or students. The Equipment Loan section, located in room 211 Thayer Hall, has a complete assortment of audio and video equipment, such as camcorders, overhead video and slide projectors, self-contained podiums, VCRs, and television sets. These items are available on a first-come, first-served basis to all members of the official community. SVIB also operates the Academic Closed-Circuit Television Network. They're responsible for broadcasting over the network programs in support of every academic department, as well as public affairs. SVIB is also responsible for one of the Academy's newest technology initiatives, video conferencing. They operate a video conferencing center that allows real-time interactive voice and video over digital phone lines. Another branch, the Creative Imaging branch, is responsible for all photographic and graphic work. They supply photographers for special events and produce the official DA photos. They will design and produce special graphic displays for permanent exhibitions or special events. The Instructional Devices branch creates just about anything you can imagine from just about any material you can think of. The majority of their work is fabricating test samples for models for many of the engineering sciences departments. Some of their better-known projects are the Giant Class Ring, a replica made each year for the ring ball, and mock-ups of actual military equipment such as helicopters and tanks. They also make and engrave official awards and presentations. DoIM's Document Services Division, or DSD, provides many services to the Academy relating to document management. Led by Chief Clayton Skip Mellick, these include electronic document systems, including the Electronic Document Management System used in the Admissions Office and the Office of the Dean, plus ORSEN contracting, the electronic forms systems using Perform Pro and FormFlow, and electronic publications. The Reprographics and Publications branch is responsible for publications, forms, including electronic forms, and printing and correspondence. It also manages the Freedom of Information and Privacy Act programs for USME. The Records Management branch is responsible for life cycle of information under the Modern Army Record-Keeping System, MARCS. Also under the Records Management branch are the USME Vital Records Management Program, the Record Holding Warehouse, along with document destruction, MARCS survey and file list approvals. The function with which most of the community is familiar is the USME and STAS mail and distribution, and such online services as classified records and mail metering. Major Michael Fisher is the Chief of DoIM's Business Operations and Plans Division, or BOPD. The four branches in this division include Information Technology and Plans, Resource Management, Logistics, and Electronic Maintenance. They're responsible for information technology planning, coordination, and tracking, and budget control, telecommunications, and automation supply support, and the upkeep and repair of tactical and commercial radios and audio-visual equipment. In addition to being involved in the construction and revitalization programs at USME, they oversee inter- and intranet presence and policy, the Academy's smart card plan, and improvement of range control through cellular towers. The DoIM Customer Service Office has two locations under Chief Lisa Stagliano, at Pershing Center in the main lobby of Spellman Hall, and in the Central Post area in room 211, Thayer Hall. The CSO acts as the administrator of the post-wide voicemail system and is the single point of contact for over 100 information management officers, holding monthly meetings for IMOs from every organization on the post. The Remedy automated work order system, processing TSAC's accounts for remote access to the USME network, and automation training for USME staff and faculty is handled by the DoIM CSO. The CSO also maintains the media videotape library and will schedule playbacks over the closed circuit TV network in support of USME academic instruction at its Thayer Hall location. DoIM, the Directorate of Information Management, ready to take care of all your information needs, at the forefront of information technology initiatives for the Academy for the year 2000 and beyond.